back in the days.
We have very nice buildings, very tall ones. We have nice cars and beautiful dresses.
Wow.
Araba, in fact, you are a good girl. No, Makola. I mean, turn around, make her see something. Wow. That is good. In fact, today, something could happen. JP.
We can never be together. Get that? No, you are already engaged to someone in this village. Bobole Bobo.
Oh, forget about Bobole Bobo.
Yeah, Vision Nation, baby.
Our life can sometimes be very different from what we planned. My world is turned upside down by my mistakes of the past, and the consequences can be seen worldwide. A young man with a vision of becoming a professional tutor was shattered by my own indiscipline and uncalled for behavior. My name is Prosper Mawili, a descendant from the great Ametoma Willis family from the Volta region of Ghana. This is my life story in a small village called Bredi, and I call it Back in the Days.
Nanamo, what is making you happy? God has finally listened to my prayers. I have found what I've been patiently waiting for. You wanted a new shoe? No. You see that city boy? That handsome city boy? He proposed to me. I love to Bob, the big one. No, the skinny, handsome boy. And I think I love him.
Manama, don't tell me you're falling for that stranger. How do you know him? For how long have you known him? You should take your time. You should have consulted me. I would have given you the best advice. These city guys, when they come to the village, they will just come and sleep with you. Then after they impregnate you, they will just leave. They will not take care of you again. That is not a good option.
He's not like that.
How would you know?
See from his lifestyle, the fashion, the education and all of that. He even promised to take me to the city.
Take you to the city?
Yes.
So you said you will go?
Of course I will. Anyway, I'm going to meet him. So, I'll see you later, okay?
Looks are deceptive, Bananama.
Brago. I'll be back.
Do you know Teacher Maule said he likes me? And as you all know, I am in a relationship with Odinkesi. And I am as confused as ever. And I don't even know what to do.
Confused? Did I hear you say relationship? What relationship are you talking about?
What at all do you see in Odinkesi that you can't find in Teacher Maule?
If I were you, I would willingly accept his proposal and damn that Odinkesi boy. This is a golden opportunity. The teacher is handsome. You're here telling me Odinkesi. Open your eyes. Shine your eyes, my sister. You're feeling you.
Hey, Ajwa. You don't seem to amaze me. So is that the good advice you can give to our friend Araba?
Esiwa, what were you expecting me to say? Fold my own arms and watch my friend be with that boy called Odinkesi? Hell no. No.
This teacher you were engrossed with and praise him so much. Do you even know his dark side? It's true, no doubt. That is the best teacher in our community.
Exactly.
What assurance can you give me that he is not using the maid in our community and is going to add our friend to it?
Hey, Esiwa,
What is fine?
you seem to amaze me. Do you know how it feels to be proposed by Teacher Mawuli? You have no idea. And if I were you, Araba, I would gladly accept it before it is too late. He is handsome, cute, good teacher, and every woman's dream.
And so what?
It is enough. You both are my best friends, and I just needed your candid advice, not to choose the best one amongst them.
Araba, as you said, best friends.
Yes.
We are. As a best friend, the advice I will give to you is that please and please don't fall victim to Teacher Mauli's sweet words. Yo, remember, you are already in relationship with Odinkese. I will advise you as a friend to focus on that relationship. I'm very sure soon Odinkese will come home and ask for your hand in marriage.
Esiwa, which marriage? Which marriage? Dump him. I say dump Odinkese and go for Teacher Mawuli. You will never get any opportunity like this. He's a teacher, and you know what that means to you. My candid advice.
Araba, don't listen to her.
Araba, listen to me. Yo.
It is enough. You both, it is okay. Can we just leave? Let's go.
Made of power, you boy. Ch-ch-ch-ch-ch-ch. Made of power, you boy. Dragoy, pang. Although you would come more day. Pang. Made of power, you boy. Catch it.
Take it back. Oh, Bobo. Tell me, when are you going to the city? When are you also going to the city?
Brago, what is coming over you?
What is coming over me? When your colleagues are going to the city to make money, more money to take care of their women, what are you doing in the village? You have to go. This farming lifestyle, it doesn't suit you. And myself, I can't contain it again. This body is not for farm, and I can't follow you to the farm all the time. When you go to the farm, you bring me just cassava, you bring me yam. I have to get protein. I can't eat starch the whole of my life. Go to the city and go and make money.
Brago, what is wrong with you?
There's nothing wrong with me. I'm just wishing you well. I just want you to go to the city so that you can make more money. Change your clothes, dress well. Then I also get some cut of it and dress well. You see the way I am, like my stature and all. I don't fit the village, I fit the city.
Brago,
you should think about it.
It is now that I've known that you don't wish me well. So you want me to go to the city and get killed, right?
I'm rather helping you.
Helping me? It's not the same village like that that has been able to take care of you.
No, I'm fed up. You have to change it. You can't eat groundnut soup all of your life. You have to eat rice soup. You have to eat palm nut soup. You have to change it.
Brago,
you can't.
So you don't appreciate anything that I've been doing for you?
It's not enough.
What at all is coming over you? What at all is getting over you?
Why are you dragging this? Just go to the city and go and make money. Oh, this is a simple matter. Why are you making it look like it's something big? Have I said something suicidal? This is the reality. I'm just giving it to you.
For your information, I am not ready to go to the city.
Yo.
In fact, I am not ready to get killed. Haven't you heard that there has been so many killings in the city lately? You want me to go so that I get killed, then you go and take another man, right? I am not going today and I won't go tomorrow. In fact, I won't go for the rest of my life. I am staying here with you and with you only.
Then prepare. The city guys is coming to take your treasure. What you can't do, someone will do it better for you. If you will not go, just stay.
City guys are coming for my treasure. That is a lie. It will never happen. In fact, as my God lives, it's never going to happen. What is that? Don't I make you happy? Don't I take good care of you? In fact, I make you happy both outside and inside the bedroom.
Babo, don't try to bring this matter here, because if you start it, you are going to lose. What do you do? What do you do?
Me?
This 1 minute, 2 minutes thing, you think you are on top of the way, you are doing something big. Hey, Babo. Me, I intentionally do that so that you know that Probably I'm just enjoying it too. This is nothing. It's not anything. It's not anything.
So all the crying, all the mourning, I mean, all the tears were lies.
You are lying. I don't cry. I don't cry. But I just pretend for you to make that, to feel that I'm enjoying it, but I don't.
Thank you, and God bless you. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Bravo.
Go to your house.
Bravo.
I'm not ready to stay inside with you. I don't feel like it, so just go to your house.
So you really mean what you are saying, right? You mean what you are saying?
Does it mean that do you feel I'm just spitting out or what? I'm saying just go to the city and go and make money. It's as simple as that. You don't have to waste our time.
You don't worry, I'll go. Let's go inside and do one. Bravo.
When your colleagues are going to the city to go and make money, you are sitting in the village doing city gaga.
Bravo.
Oh!
Be careful, oh. Bravo, be careful.
George,
Maule.
chicken George.
So how far with the class topic, sir?
Maule, everything is going on well. Just that some of the students are drawing us back. And you can't take it from them. It's very normal. It happens everywhere.
I think they need time to get it. So they need to do more. And George,
Maule.
how far with you and your kids now, Madam Kate and you?
Maule. Huh? Must we talk about this thing again? This thing is dead and gone. Let the sleeping dogs lie, bro.
But you see, but they know be firewood though. As I'm talking to you, one is going down tonight.
Hey, bad man.
And this one is a fresh meat. Fresh meat.
Maule, again.
No, what is this thing and again? I just told you that one is going down tonight, and you are telling me again. I have to eat them. In fact, I must kill them all.
Bro, as we discussed the other time, as I said, take it slow. I mean, slow on these girls.
George, I have told you many times that the word slow does not exist in my dictionary. So you have to get that. This is the best time of my years, and I have to enjoy every bit of it. And this girl that I'm saying, you need to see her. She is blessed by Mao himself, and you see, she's got a big back, and the down there. Chicken George.
What are you hiding?
I brought you something. Ta-da!
Nanama, you won't kill me. Let me.
I thought you had to do that.
But breaking this is just something normal.
Yeah.
Should I say Your Highness or my?
Wait.
It's sweet.
Exactly.
Just like I love you.
I love you.
I love you more.
You make me so happy.
You see, I wanted to tell you something about the city. In a city, we have very nice buildings, very tall ones. We have nice cars and beautiful dresses.
Wow.
Nana, Not like this. So. This thing they say it is some of the rejected ones. But hey, do you know something? You still look beautiful.
That's my baby.
That's my nanama.
So you mean if I go to the city, I'll be in these nice cars and fancy clothing?
Anna?
Damn.
I don't want to talk much.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
I wish my parents were here to witness this beautiful moment in my life.
Anna?
Yeah.
Are you saying you are an orphan?
I lost them as a result of a fallen tree in the farm.
Jesus. Hey, come on. Come on. Don't cry. Hey, come on. I love you, please. Listen. Don't cry. Listen, look at me. I'm going to take you to the city. You're going to be there with me forever.
Thank you.
You only come to this village only to say hi to few people. Trust me.
Thank you so much. You make me so happy.
I love you.
I love you.
Don't cry. Enjoy the cocoa.
Teacher Mauli. Knocking, Teacher Mauli.
Who is there at my door?
Teacher Mauli.
Aruba. Aruba, in fact, you are a good girl, oh?
Teacher Mauli.
Tomakola. I mean, turn around, make us see something. Ah, wow. That is good. In fact, today, something good happen. Hey, JB, you see, this is my room, Make we enter. I will show you something sweet, Araba. Araba, yeah.
Am I really pregnant? I feel pains in my breast and it feels heavy as well. My palms are pale and my stomach feels big too. I breathe so fast of late. Oh my God. My mother is going to kill me if she finds out that I'm pregnant. No. This can't be possible. What do I do? What do I do? I am so confused right now.
Bravo.
Bravo. Bravo.
Bobo, I'm not in the mood for any conversation today. So you go another time then.
Bravo. Hey. Bravo. Hey. Broken heart alert. Bravo. Hey. What is happening? Hey. Bravo.
Robert, I can go keep on number one. I can't turn off my future. Cause everything I come for paint. I don't fit. I don't change. Girls, do you know this world is very strange? You will give your heart to someone else, and the person too will give his heart to another person. I don't really understand.
Esiwa, don't tell me you still love that guy. Don't.
My sisters, I'm letting that nonsense I call love vanish you. After disgracing me in public. No way. He's mean.
You are now talking, my beautiful girl. You shouldn't allow him to use you and dump you if he says he doesn't want you. My dear, we really need to move on. But, Esiwa, what has changed? My dear, you are very beautiful. You have it all. At the long run, you have us as your best friends. So what more do you want?
Somebody is in love. Oh.
Our sister is in love. Our sister is broken heart.
Please. Love me.
No. This girl surprises me the most. You will just dig us into the grave and you will exclude yourself. What kind of human being are you? He's not our friend. My sister, let's go.
For the way. You just leave me out, okay?
But thank you guys for the support, okay? I really appreciate it.
We love you. We are your best friends.
Come here.
Back in the days.
Next. Back in the days. Please, I don't want to lose you.
Why are you pestering my life this way? Are you not ready to listen to me? Didn't you hear what I told you?
Bravo, I just want to hear from your mouth that you've forgiven me before. Please, Bravo.
Why? Why are you destroying my life like that? What's the meaning of this?
Amele. 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 Come, Papa. Come.
What do you think is wrong with her?
I think she's pregnant.
Back in the days, back in the days, so back in the days, back in the days, back in the days. Ready, man. Ready, man. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Pretty man. You too move for na mwentia. You too move for na mwentia. You too move for na mwentia. Asembe ba debi. Asembe ba debi o. Jaya kuboni dio, ticha mauli. Jaya kuboni dio, ticha mauli. And the bibe ya uda boni.